So just like how we anticipated, Bitcoin after breaking the 109,000 resistance line started going parabolic. And to those individuals who have been following me for a while, congratulations to you guys, because you saw this move coming. I was very clear on my previous video. Once the 109,000 resistance gets flipped into support, we are expecting a very bullish move to play out. And just like how we anticipated, Bitcoin broke out of this 109,000 resistance line and even made a new all-time high. So will this trend continue? Because parallelly breaking this 109,000 resistance has also invalidated this bearish continuation pattern which was lining up parallelly for Bitcoin. So what is next? What kind of scenario should we expect to play out in the upcoming days? We are going to discuss all of this one by one, but first thing first, please destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now let's quickly look at this rising wedge formation. We talked about this rising wedge. I showed you guys, if Bitcoin breaks out of this 109,000 resistance, then this bearish continuation pattern will get invalidated and the move here was just a fake out. A false break to the downside, liquidating the over leverage longs, and then again heading towards the liquidate the over leverage short. And parallelly, even this white cups reaccumulation looks like getting invalidated. Yes guys, despite RSI still showing a bearish divergence, this here looks like getting invalidated. White cups reaccumulation phase looks like getting invalidated, and now Bitcoin looks like on its way to show a move that might look somehow like this. Bitcoin here looks like following this bullish wave. After breaking out of certain resistance line, just like what happened here, you can see after breaking out of certain line, we started with a bullish wave. So if this bullishness continues, then we are expecting the upcoming days for Bitcoin to look somehow like this. Few more ups and downs, but we are expecting this uptrend to continue in this manner. And we know guys, if this bullish continuation continues, then parallelly Bitcoin will also follow up with this falling channel or descending channel breakout formation. Yes guys, this descending channel upper trend line was acting as resistance, lower trend line was acting as support, and I was very clear with you guys, once this 109,000 resistance gets broken here, right? Once this resistance gets broken, we are expecting a very bullish move to play out. And now, according to this falling channel, descending channel, or a bull flag, you can see continuation of an uptrend means 120,000 is where we are expecting to get attracted for the upcoming days, according to our falling channel formation. Yes guys, according to this descending channel, according to this falling channel, 120,000 will be looked as our upcoming target. But if you look at this in a bit different way, you know guys, we were talking about this ABC correction. Bitcoin in our case has already ended this bearish move, right? ABC correction, just like as shown in an example. Now we could be on our way to form a bullish wave. And if you look at this example, you can see after ending this ABC correction, we had a very bullish move. Same thing, I showed you guys, same thing could be unfolding in our case as well. So even if the price in the medium short term shows weakness, you know, I was very clear with you, that could be just a temporary pullback before expecting another bullish continuation. And according to this ABC correction, you can see we still have room to grow. And not just only the ABC reversal, not just only this falling channel breakout, not just only this falling wedge breakout, but Bitcoin at the moment is also following this CPI indicator. And according to this CPI indicator, you can see Bitcoin for the month of July has not touched the first bullish target, the R1 line, which is around $112,000. Yes guys, this $112,300 will be attracting us. This trend line will be acting as magnet, and price also could be slowly getting attracted around this area after some consolidation, and only after that it's going to decide the direction. Yes guys, for the month of July, our first bullish target sits around $112,300. But if Bitcoin starts doing the unthinkable, then for the month of July, you can see these are our target areas. First bullish target sits around 112,000. Second bullish target sits around $117,500. And the no-brainer price target for the month of July is this one here, which sits around $124,000. So you can see for the month of July, our best target or the no-brainer target sits around $124,000. And if this does plays out, and if Bitcoin does shows another parabolic move, then parallelly even the price of GD from this falling channel will play out perfectly. Yes guys, according to this bullish continuation pattern, according to our leading indicator as well, Bitcoin after breaking out of 109,000 resistance has clearly showed strength and looks like heading towards the next area of confluence. And for the medium short term, the next area of confluence will be the R1 line, which is around $112,300, another new all-time high for Bitcoin. And even guys, let's be very clear, and even after touching this R1 line, Bitcoin, instead of a bullish continuation, starts breaking down, right, like this, starts heading towards the July CPR. Please do not worry. Even if this scenario plays out, Bitcoin after testing the R1 line starts with another bearish continuation towards the July CPR around 105,000-106,000. Please do not worry. In a bigger picture, this will be just a temporary pullback, and price after that is expected to show a reversal in this manner, a U-shape or a V-shape type of reversal. And why? Because we know Bitcoin parallelly is also following another massive bullish continuation known as descending broadening wedge. Descending broadening wedge is another bullish continuation, and if this bullish continuation continues, you can see our price objective is much higher. I mean, I just showed you with the R1, R2, R3 line, the best case scenario for the month of July sits around $124,000, and according to this descending broadening wedge, you can see price target is even higher. I mean, according to this descending broadening wedge, if it plays out, then this is where we are expecting this uptrend to continue in a bigger picture, and only after that Bitcoin to choose a direction. But as of now, any sort of a pullback, you know, we don't have anything to worry about, because I showed you guys any sort of a pullback in the medium short term, we have support from this Bollinger Band, the central line from this Bollinger Band, just like this one here. You can see we have support from the central line Bollinger Band. Along with that, we have support from CryptoAnup Platinum indicator, our personal indicator, which is still bullish. You can see, right? And this indicator gave us a buy signal when the price of Bitcoin was somewhere around 93,000. You can see since then the price is clearly in an uptrend, and along with that we also have support from our Williams Alligator indicator. And this Williams Alligator indicator, CryptoAnup Platinum indicator, Bollinger Band, for now will be looked as our strong support above 105,000. So any sort of a pullback, but Bitcoin remaining above 105,000-106,000 means just a temporary pullback, and price of Bitcoin after that is expected to continue with this uptrend. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that any sort of a pullback, but price remaining above 105,000-106,000 means just a temporary pullback, and price after that is expected to continue with this uptrend. So any sort of a doubt, please simply zoom out. So guys, this were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free $30,050 in deposit bonus from Bybit, then please check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye.